Hey, once again, thank you for tuning in and watching our podcast. Today's episode is sponsored by All In It, and if you want our services All In It, you can check our website at www.allinit.co.za. You can check us on Facebook, you can check us on Instagram, you can also check us on Twitter. We are there also on Twitter, on TikTok, and we're also there on TikTok. So our services nje kuyona All In It, khona ama company registration services there. Uzowa-check nje below ayapopapa velela izansi uwabona ukuthi ama package ethu ahlele kanjani. And we also like do graphic design services. Mawukuthi nje nawe ufuna ilogo, ufuna i-poster, ufuna i-flyer, anything nje that thing artwork graphic design uzoyithola also All In It. And more good futhi you also want a website, we do our website for any type of business. Yabo ngisho ngathi upusha le business more ukuthi nje udinga website thinti All In It, yabo, because iyona yenza ibe possible ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi shoot le podcast
for as long as I can remember, but ngikhumbula kakhulu ko grade 5 kanje, like kwizulu English where I write, and I always got great marks for those things. And I still have a script army from like primary, and I read those poems and I'm like, Haibo, you know. So yeah, kade yaqala lento lena.
Then performing it, no man akon bu perform already kokondo set up, no man, you're just doing it for yourself.
As for performing, I love dancing as a hobby, you know. So at home I usually dance. Sukela ngincane makune visit ekhaya ngizovula channel laphayana ngidlala ingoma ngidance. And ukuperforma kuma phambi kwabantu kwaqala lapho, yabo. Usisi wami usesuntomfuthi wake wangiframe, yes. What she did, why judge, okay, ngekhathi zakhe, in her youth she used to be a model, wabo.
Dreams, yeah, I got dreams. Yeah, I got dreams. Yeah, I got dreams. Yeah, I got dreams.
Oh, sanibonani babukele emakhaya, sengiphinde ngabuya futhi with another episode of Now Popile hleli nolumkilo wakazinyanga ke njengenjwayele, yabo. Sengizoshaya abantu abaningi ke manje, yabo. Subscribe ngani? Subscribe, click notification button, ushare nomsebenzi wethu ukuze nje qhubeke movement yephambili. Yabo nje namhlanje nginiphathele intokazi la ekade nami ngayigcina. Umbani unjani bani?
Ay, ngiyaphila. How are you?
I'm good. No, siyabonga nje kakhulu ukuthi ube ingcenye ye podcast yethu, yabo. It's such an honor nje to be with you, yabo.
I'm happy to be here. I'm very grateful. Excited nje. Yabona nje.
Ayona vele phela esiyifunayo, yabo, siyenza nje kusemini vele kwayona. How your day nje has been going namhlanje?
Yabona namhlanje it's wild, but good. Like so great because ngifunde Howard Manch.
Yeah.
I know wangcine PMB,
KZN.
Yes. But now I'm at Harvard doing psychology and political science. And at the Puma Jipina again, namhlanje marahlangene ayapopa.
Right. And kuhle nawe kuze ukuthi you back to your studies, because phela mina bengwazela poetry kahle kahle.
Definitely.
Yeah, when PMB I didn't even know what you were doing kahle kahle. Yeah, into bengazi nje ukuthi poetry, and also angani we part of in the Seycici.
Yes, climate change. Yep.
Was Nama was also part of your Kumbula was an additional member.
Yes.
Yeah, I was staying away from ezinye izinto because I politics serious.
Yeah, there was a lot going on. Yeah.
So manje awuke nje usitsheleke nje for umuntu ongathi nje uyaqala namhlanje ukuthi akubone ungamchaza ukuthi ubani umbani.
Okay, so igama lami nguNosihle Mbalenhle Mthembu. Ngisuka eMangozi kwaMhlaba Iyalingana.
Yaphathwa ke Telezi ngale.
Sure njalo angazi
Awuyimanguze phela nje yabo imanguze kilapha phezulu ke la kuthiwa khona itele
Umsabalingana kuthiwa la tholakala khona angazi but yeah that's home I love home guys like yo kuse KZN
were you born and bred khona wakhula nje yonke khona
yes Manguzi town is actually 18 kilometers from the border to Mozambique like Mozambique is a second home like yeah it's so close kumnandi nakhona
so uyakhuluma la language ngale Mozambique
I'm learning Portuguese
okay.
Yeah.
very Portuguese abayikhuluma kakhulu lapha ne.
Yes.
That's good. Ikhona nenye ayikhulunywa umunye ubafo wami uMthembu uMvelase khona sasifunda naye futhi eMaritzburg usibonela uMthembu owakhona naye ngale ngako Manguzi. Khona le language enye ababeyikhuluma nje.
Sine language yethu yazi. Khuleka uzoyizwa nje ngizazoyifaka. Sinendlela yethu ukukhuluma eManguzi. Umuntu oseManguzi uyashesha ukumuza amakhuluma.
So manje bekunjani ukukhulela eManguzi nje? Sike nje sibantu sibathathe back yabo. Even nane family structure yakho ukuthi ukhule kwi family structure kanjani?
Okay. So back home indawo esemakhaya yabo eManguzi. Kodwa kuyadevelopa ziningi indawo like neighboring towns Nombazwana Mseleni Iskemelele they depend on us like our shops for everything even because it's close to the border as well even abantu base Mozambique bayafika ku town yethu so the culture is so diverse we have a lot of people there khulunywa nesitsonga isiZulu sethu sine mixture yazi yeah so ekhaya ngihlala nomama ubodama omncane I have both of my parents ukuthi nje sikho close manje with like my dad but yeah like I love both my family Yomndeni wami mkhulu I'm from an extended family like yomndeni wami mkhulu I have brothers everywhere like a whole lot of brothers sisters and like and man mkhulu umndeni wami
Yona vele into emnandi le nje so manje ningane ke benindawonye ke lapho ke nje ningane noma umuntu bekhula like separately
Sikhula no cousin basemntoba kuningi mkhulu kakhulu umndeni abantu basendaweni ezihlukene abanye bala eThekwini abanye basempangeni abanye base Pretoria yabo so yeah that's the family structure but to add on to who I really am as well intombazanyana nje Nkosi yami yasemakhaya izama impilo eThekwini manje ngibuyele esikoleni you know life has challenges man
kakhulu
wangcine PMB I was doing geography and environmental management there
and that's what I was
yes basically exactly yeah so there life was good man I was on top of my game with my school until mental health problems started for me and we don't address this much like a lot of people some people think it doesn't exist some people think it's something for rich people for real I'm a psychology student as well and I really love it angithathe kuphuma ama DP
manje inenze ukuthi transition from geography and do psychology was it because of you like experiencing ama mental problems or was it inspired by something else?
That's where I'm going. So since then I had challenges I was forced to like take a break from my studies since 2021 I've been home for like 2 years since man it's been a while right but now I'm here I came back to school this year in February and manje ke being applied ukwenza Bachelor of Arts yabo that's what I applied for and I got the offer for that I accepted it off now when I had to register because I was doing other like modules via APMB and like I'm eligible to get credits and stuff man I was like I'm not gonna start from like first year and stuff not when I have credits you know? So no you have to change the degree you can't do arts if that's what you want so rather do BSS but general and you can major in what you want and then I chose psychology and political sciences hence this is where we are now but yeah I wanted to do art, Shem. I'm an artist.
Yeah, nami ngikwazi uyi-artist. Awumanje info wena bekwenza ukuthi ungafuni ukuqala phansi because phela mina I do believe ke in starting afresh yabo. I think kuyona yonke into yabo starting afresh. Kukunika that perspective.
Yeah.
Especially when you love the art, because I did want to do music and entertainment, but I ended up going for commerce. I did find myself nakhona with commerce because that's when I ended up finding IT and yonke into manje ya link, and I'm still in the art space manje. I'm speaking to even artists in Hamad. So manje vele impilo vele I do believe ukuthi it's just a series yabo of izinto ezenzekalayo directing you to something else.
True.
Because ukhula ke khona usasemncane, what was your biggest dream ke nje ukuthi ufuna ukuba yini momdala noma nawe wawuthi udokotela njengawo wonke umuntu?
It's cliche actually because I wanted to be a psychologist. I wanted to be an environmental manager, geologist as well. Like kuning as a kid, but then I wanted to be an actress. 40, practice so I'm an artist, because I just write. Hence, I'm a poet as well. And a published author now. I'm self-published. I have a book that I published in 2020. During COVID times, man. Yes. So there's a lot going on, but I'm a very active person in terms of the arts. I'm very passionate about arts, people. So LinkedIn, man. Since I was home, I was just like looking for opportunities. Creating opportunities for myself as well. Because it's not nice to you feel stagnant, guys. Like over depressed. Over depressed. So I joined LinkedIn. It's okay if you want to get jobs, you can apply there. But then ngafunda ngabona ukuthi no iyafana no Facebook lento iyafana no Instagram in a way.
It's a serious thing.
You post your achievements there and because I even opened a nursery of plants. Entrepreneur manje. I'm very passionate about flowers as well. Man, there's a lot. We just need to unpack everything.
I know so unpack because very before we can even know what you wanna do. So I'm a role model. People who were looking up to. You may still be looking up to them now.
Yes. So my mom is my biggest role model. She's like an epitome of strength, resilience, and perseverance in human form. She's like the first example, Jigmina. And then I have Osis Velepi. You're an entrepreneur from my family. She's just, oh my God, doing the most, running a very successful and big business. So it's people like in my family that I look up to the most. But I have systems that I also look up to a lot. Her public speaking, I wanna get there. You feel me? You know, like my conversations like TEDx and stuff.
And she's very confident in her craft.
Exactly. That's the level I also wanna attain. You know, that growth and stuff. Last person is Urupi Kaur, Indian poet. Doing the most. YouTube it's about poetry
I do live by one I'm a poet because even hip hop
that's nice.
Hip hop very it's still poetry and in a PMP I was very active with space poetry I was always there noma bengasi umuntu obeperforma njalo kodwa I will always be supporting and I've always loved the art. Even now what drama was always got drama mokubhala ama exam nje engangifutha ama exam akhona and bengiyithanda nama until ngize ngifake uAndile in 2019 uAndile Khumalo because uyena umuntu owaqala ukuthi akaqala actise kancane ungabona okay no the media space kanje was even the show kahle was born after all those things. I realized okay yazi ukuthi shoot ngakwazi ukuthi ngingenela ku media space. Then I took the shot yabo mina ke vele I'm not a person who believes ekulindeni kakhulu yabo ngiyakholela ukuthi if I want something kumele ngiqale manje kuyenze ukuziye phambili. So manje ke wena ke with inkondlo ke because I want us to talk about poetry. Poetry uyiqale at what age?
For as long as I can remember, but ngikhumbula kakhulu ko grade 5 kanje like kwizulu English where I write and I always got great marks for those things. And I still have a script from like primary and I read those poems and I'm like hey bo, you know. So yeah,
then performing no man akon perform already kwakhona set up no man you were just doing it for yourself.
As for performing, I love dancing as a hobby, you know. So at home I usually dance. So ke ngimncane makune visit ekhaya ngizovula channel laphayana ngidlala ingoma ngidance and ukuperforma kuma phambi kwabantu kwaqala lapho yabo usisi wami sesuntomfuthu wake wangiframe yes what she did waye judge okay ngekhathi zakhe in her youth she used to be a model wabo Miss Kwanganasi Mangu is also known as Gwangwanasi so she was Miss Kwanganasi back then and then they invited her esikoleni ade ngifunda kuso John Wesley Kosi private school ukuthi be judge for a talent show. Mina being me I was like I ngeke ngimodele mina ngeke ngenze lutho ngizoyihlalela mina ngifuna ukubuka abantu ngitshaya izandla and I was chilling having a good day seeing my friends on stage happy and then someone just calls me they're like uyabizwa kuthiwa ubhalisile lapha you're going to perform you're going to dance. I'm like kanjani manje umani manje wenze lento le Susi sakho kubhalisile. I'm like oh my god dabiza igama lami ngaya ku DJ ngibuka ingoma la angazi nokuthi ngizodansa yiphi genre. I chose hip hop. I love hip hop.
What's a crap?
Yabona Asha the music video yeah. Love in this club. Khona enye dance move kuthiwa nje.
Oh yeah.
Yeah man. So yeah no khuluma ke presenting ngibe perfect kaningi. I've been nje like yabo
vele umuntu wama position bad.
If you'd like to put it that way. Yeah. So yeah. Then confidence has been built. Then
growth like with poetry because poetry I've seen also nkontra baningi kakhulu are very talented kodwa uthola ukuthi ngathini because ngeke ngisho ukuthi u never made it yabo because uma ngathi u never made it sengazuthi ngiyakala ukuthi how do we define making it kodwa abangakaze bafike kule stage mhlambe sokuthi bakwazi ukuthi benze imali nanokuthi babe well recognized ngalendlela abangafisa ukufika ngayo yini kahle kahle wrong la with the poetry space.
Okay ngicela ukuqala ngokuhighlighta ukuthi I'm part of Activates Change Drivers. A civil society organization. And there I learned ukuthi your network is your net worth, you know. Like that really struck out to me and from there personality yami vele ngomuntu abantu and everything but bengayisebenzisi le nto le to present myself like for opportunities to network with the right people or like involve myself kuma spaces like alright for growth and stuff. Since then sengiyaqala manje ngiyabona ukuthi no mengizobona usibanibani noma kumake event kanje kanjeni no I need to try and like get close to those people and stuff like that. So I feel like for poets who want to like really make it and if you're a poet we have this thing of sometimes you write a poem and then you scratch it out. You're like no one can relate here or no this is too personal. But guys like I mean and we all go through similar experiences even if it's different you relate in a way so I mean guys you need to like put yourself out there come out of your shelf and put yourself out there like you just need to do that. That's what you need to do. Network with people on socials as well if you know a poet DM loyo muntu if ikhona email yakhe write your story like reach out to people just reach out that's all I can say that's what works out for me yeah
ngoba phela osonkondlo sengibile nabo even nala kwi podcast nje abathe ukuthi nabo abaningi kodwa namanje uyabona ukuthi kuyinkondlweni umuntu esingathi ngampela nje uselapha usiyabonga mpongose yabona because njengamanje even nane following ku social media ucomputer nabantu who are doing badumile mhlawumbe kuma genre abo yabo and is doing poetry yabo and the poetry ayinakiwe futhi because even government we can say ukuthi government is investing kuyona kodwa in terms of uplifting ingakho inkondle osonkondla abaningi bedabukisa yabo because of that yabo because sike sahlala even nanonzala yabo may rest in peace yabo sike sahlala nonzala uyakhumbula ngaleza ikhathi we pushing amanye amachita wasekho yabo even no bright yabo we big with space and nabo ngasithi bahamba sebewa realize ama dream abo yabo in this space and
true
kuningi okumele kwenzeke khona because as usonkondlo futhi awukho free from izinto that comes with being a poet because being a poet kuyakuchallenge kwakhona yabo you have to change your mood noma inini ungene kwesinye space yabo leyo exploring nje nawe it does something kuwena
kakhulu man yabo nje usuvele wangithinta even more I'm getting very emotional yabo poetry in South Africa there's a lot that needs to be done I was part of USIFSA
USIFSA kanjani what do you do
okay it's an organization for artists Utizozo is actually the chairperson
okay
it's nice I was under Umkhanyakude district for languages and publishing yabo it was great yabo being a part of such like an organization because now you sebenza in the Department of Sports, Arts and Culture as well like the opportunities there and stuff you also network with other artists like local artists as well nje yabo but then i-challenge ikuthina kakhulu une conference eyenziwa uSIFSA we were at Margate and one of the issues that were addressed there is substance abuse and depression as well as a youth in South Africa we are battling with challenges to highlight mental health in a sense and I can very well attest to that because I for one am living with a mental illness, which is a bipolar mood disorder type 2. I'd like to talk more about it.
No, we can speak because that's what we want to know. Yeah.
Yes. It's such things as esidlula kuzo because as a poet umuntu ojulile. Stalwa. And sometimes we process izimo esike sidlule kuzona empilweni izimo ezinzima and we process lezo zinto thina ngokubhala because sometimes we just can't talk we don't know who to talk to we are afraid to talk with people because we've been betrayed at some points yabo empilweni nje kunzima nje yabo sihlangabezana nezimo ezikanjalo so for us poets we resort to writing and speaking out sesibhalile ukuthi okay that's how we express ourselves that's how we can express our emotions and process different thoughts and feelings yabo poetry is a form of art I am art you are art yabo this is all art man so for us I'm a poet in South Africa looking into the future ukuthi kumele sibambane ngibo ukuthi kumele sizenzele ama conferences ethu sihlangane sonke like we need to lift as we rise yabo that's what we need to do we have to like even live thingies we're into like the digital world now
and on TikTok they are making things easier
exactly these things need us to invest we need to save food we need to invest in our dreams isn't just ding imali so that's why we find a lot of people just giving up you need to have money you need to have funds you need to like get sponsors for these things like realizing our dreams isn't as easy as it seems when you've made it like it's not easy the journey to that is like so hard but okusalayo ukuthi wena ukholelwa kuyini ufunani you put your mind your soul everything into it and then you're gonna realize it guys, we just need to like look for the information. The information is there. We need to look for the people. Connect.
Yeah, because ngiyabona no zamacofi they are doing the things yabo. Nababanye abantu abaphakamayo kule space. Yabo.
Baningi.
Yabona baningi. So ke manje ke when it comes to ama mental health issues la owashoyo. How did you discover mhlambe ukuthi you had into njengaleyo because ngicatha okokuqala vele that's where we all can start because mhlawumbe bakhona abantu abaphatha kodwa who don't even know.
That's true. A lot of people don't know actually. Because into shangene health nje dinga imali nje, especially when it comes to like therapy and stuff. It requires a lot of money. And when you have
therapy,
when you have a good support system, but for someone who doesn't, so to delve into that, I can just very well say, Guti, Mina, for me, I realized 2018, it was second semester, I said PMP. That's when like my challenges prevailed. Like then I was not going to fund a PMP. Then break like the challenges in Ngaba image anxiety, panic attack. A panic attack, it's when like I was a perfume you feel like you had to take me when the woman was and I put in and the doctor told me it was a major anxiety panic attack. And then got to I need to be admitted. I'm like, okay, and then I was admitted, and then there I met a psychiatrist. It was a journey. That's where we learned, as we're both unpacking, because it's a two-way street. Therapy involves talking. It also involves medication, so it goes like both ways. Your doctor sees my symptoms or prevail. Like how it started. My first encounter with her, I was actually sitting. I mean, she just asked me general things, and me, I was sitting there almost easy and comfortable comfortable when I'm in a space. So I was sitting there just talking about myself and stuff, and I was walking around the room. When I'm a culture meeting, I'm just myself. Then she reminds me, she's like, "Do you remember your first day here?" I'm like, "Okay, what about it?" She's like, "Do you remember you were just all over the place?" I'm like, "Oh, okay, what does that mean?" She's like, that's how my thought process is as well. Like my thoughts are just scattered and stuff, and you have to like put order into that. It's a process. That's how I learned to go. So you know what? But then I have to start with one thing at a time. You can't start this and not finish. Man, like
when manje yini ke mhlawumbe ke esingathi isakusiza namanje yabo to get through it noma kusayiyona therapy or mhlawumbe sekukhona ama rituals that you've developed nje wakho ke nawe that you do uwedwa nje akwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe make things better because yabona nathi makhulunywa ngezinto enoma anxiety we think ukuthi it's only problem for rich people or it's only problem for umuntu naye mhlawumbe oshoda ngemali yabo akaze sikube into ukuthi ungathi nje umuntu nje normal yabo ukwazi na ukuthi uface lezi zinto. And we've seen with even abantu abanjengo Ricky ended up killing himself. And lo muntu ubengakazi abe umuntu oswele empilweni yabo kushuthi lento no one is immune from it.
Exactly.
It's a matter of like understanding.
That's what we need to understand. Hence a lot of awareness needs to be like put out there. We have organizations that are emerging because of such instances in Ngoba Ocean. May his soul rest in peace. Calling organization from one of the people I know, Eskoleni, Kamalaku Ipendule Njomi. We got with his two brothers, Ibizwa Nguti Umoja.
Right.
Yes, exactly. You get it, exactly. It's Umoja, men's mental health and physical fitness. So it focuses on that. They also have programs about that. kwaye manje kune-play nje ezobiqala ukudlala like 31 May, 1 June, 2 June izobidlala eBed Center. They'll be addressing such issues nje, like what leads to suicide. They'll be like the title of the show is called Life Tied in a Rope. Yeah.
Ngoba phela thina sitshela especially thina abantu besilisa, even namanje I feel like abantu besimame vele even nalo government which is prioritizing more women than thina abantu besilisa, and kwi process sifila start yabo. That's why uthola ukuthi izotshelwa futhi lapha every day ukuthi indoda ayikhala yabo. So izophuma kanjani into when you are not allowed to cry, you are not allowed to even say, because okunye uthola ukhali, you are just saying nje ku social media ukuthi I'm feeling this, abantu bathi hayi bafa ingeke futhi bakhali kakhulu yabo.
The rates of suicide nje uyabona ukuthi abantu besilisa it's up there yabo. Iyona lento le siyacindezelana, siyacindezela futhi nathi yabo lento oyishoyo ukuthi kuthiwa indoda
nabathi nathi yonke siyazi
how you know it's really tough. Emotional, I'm overwhelmed. Like there's so much on my mind right now, and ngumuntu ofila kakhulu and ngivele ngifikele nje umuzwa ukuthi ngihigh makufike izimo ezikanje. I even write yabo mase ngifikele umuzwa kanje. We have, I'm a psychologist in public institutions as well. Like people should like really visit these spaces. We also have EDSD, the Department of Social Development. If you feel like unezimo, even ukucindezeleke emakhaya.
Ungakhohlwa futhi ukuthi la ina Popular Studios ezinye izinto esizenzayo siyabashuthela nabanye abantu ama-podcast abo. Now uma ukuthi nje unephupho lokuthi ube ne-podcast sithinte, and ama-prices are very reasonable. Ngo-600 nje ungafika ne-guest yakho sikushuthe at our studios, sik-edithele futhi siphinde sikupostele online, and we also do photography. Uma ukuthi unomcimbi nje unawo ofuna umuntu ozokushuthela ungasithinta futhi ne-videography nayo siyayenza futhi, from ama-music videos, ama-movies, and also ukuthi sividorize ke nanawo kumcimbi wakho ke futhi, and ama-prizes ayahluka kulokho. So nakhona futhi sithinta uma ukuthi ufuna into enjalo yabo. Go back ke manje ubuke i-podcast yabo, ungaskiphi, qhubeka ubuke, subscribe njengenjwayelo, kungenzeki okunye.
Inkinga ziqala emakhaya la sihlala khona la sula khona yabo. So kumele nje siwavashela ama-social worker, ne-NHI bill lano Cyril Ramaphosa president wethu ekade. So hopefully kuzo improve ngempela access to such things, because i-health ibalulekile, especially mental health. Everything starts in the brain.
And now uyabona ngani namanje ukuthi since vele lama movement ekhona ukuthi abantu ngempela they are feeling this, even i-GBV yabo indlela enyuke ngayo, it's all time high yabo. Labe because umuntu kuvele kuphume lento lekade ingakhali ngayo ngaphakathi, ukuthi makwenzeka something available sengathi shoot manje mina yonke into yami ephelile kanje and it's now we don't go to therapist yabo. Even when I've never been to a therapist yabo, ngingaka nje.
Don't worry.
Kodwa manje sinazo izinto that we go with.
It's something you need to like start thinking about. Maybe you should invest in it. Noma ngathiwa awunalutho ngisho depression awunayo izinto, just nje kumnandi yazi ukuthi ukhulume nomuntu, because a psychiatrist or a psychologist or a counselor in general can be life ngizibekele i-challenge nje kwayimina, because I'm not that active on socials lately. Yabo ku TikTok I've never posted my poetry. It's a mission. Give me a mission manje yabo. So kumele si-challenge umuntu nje akayi-challenge yena. Guys, potentially we unleash it. We all need to reach our potential, because any into ukuthi sigcine sisenza imali ngama-talent ethu, into zosiphilisa leyo. If we take it seriously, we need to believe in that. We need to take it seriously, because if we don't, then who will? Sizofana amaphupho ethu kuqhubeke kube cycle ukuthi South Africa kukanje kanje, kudinga thina nje. Why not? Like, is it now? Right now kudinga thina kakhulu ngempela, because if we really like believe in ourselves, other people will see ukuthi special nani uphetheni yabo ulethele ngani emhlabeni because song is a gift. So when you start practicing that, using it, sharing it with the world, abanye abantu bayaphila ngokuze voice yomuntu umuntu uyaphila ngokuze amazwi athize umuntu uyasho ukuthi hawu kanti nalona yayazi uyayizwa lento ube wayidlula kulento yabo. So I love the stories we see on TV, Mzansi Magic, the stories that are being told. More stories need to be told. We have Hollywood, Bollywood now, like Tina South Africa. We need to do those things. I attended a very good event, Izolo. Not even good. It was out of this world. It was amazing. For Africa Day, I always commemorate Africa Day. If it's a schooling, we Unite building, we had a lot of amazing people. The performances by Sawadi, it was very nice. And we talked to what's it, guys. Africa unites. We need to get societal standards. That's one of the things I write about a lot. You just need to be true to yourself. Know who you are. Embrace who you are.
And was good who's better than you.
Exactly.
And being you.
Exactly.
Yeah, because when
no one is youer than you. That's a quote by Rumi. And no one I mean, you know, I really love art. I really love the people who have led the way for us. I mean, from me, kadzomza balaz. So manje ke ngencwadi ke because you spoke about ukuthi you wrote a book and ngicabanga ukuthi it was a time la busathathe khona break even nanguma studies akho. So what inspired the book and ibizwa ngani yabo ingane? Oh Lord. Okay, incwadi yami, what inspired it is my own personal experiences. It's all the things I've been dealing with and things I've been inspired by. That includes in nature, Nkulunkulu. I believe in a higher power. I believe in ancestors. And this thing, guys, what we have, our dreams and everything, it's things that have been birthed through us from generations. So there's a lot of inspiration about African cultures as well. Love. I love love. I love talking about love. So I talk about those things. I also address my emotions, like grief, because I've lost a lot of loved ones. My late brother, 2019, my older sister as well, same year, and her baby. Yeah.
Break it down.
Man, my parents have divorced as well in the same year. You know, there's been a whole lot, and
they were feeling the things.
Yes, and I was still adjusting to okay, I have this illness. Okay, and yes, phela nami sayifunda yabo. Namanje ngiyayifunda. Ngifunda all the time. Ngifunda njalo lento le. Yabo. So I'm like, yo, kwaze kwakuningi yabo. So into engivele ngiyenze makukuningi ekhanda lami ngicabangweni ngiyabhala. Vele ngibhala. And then people are like, "Mbali, hlezi ubhala. Antu nenkondlo ngezingane." Akangazi. Kabala zigo 50 my guy mo usawu ungakhipha incwadi wena because bayisho le nto. I'm like, hey guys, because I'm writing a novel really since way before I even published this book. So I'm like, hey, ngifuna ukukhipha le ncwadi kuqala and then I can consider but then over time I ngabona ukuthi yazini, let me just do it, and I just did it. I just ran with it. The title of the book is A Rose That Grows. It's not available online yet. Izobe khona kodwa ku Amazon by the end of this year. It's been a journey. I mean, been wanting to do that. So
budayisa nama copies so far.
Yes, hard copies are available, 80 Rand a copy now. Okay, The title of the book is A Rose That Grows. Basically because Ngonosihle Mbalenhle mthini. Igama lami lesibili uMbalenhle and it's actually popular. Ngaziwa kakhulu ngoMbalenhle.
Yeah, nami ngikwazi ngayo uMbalenhle.
Kodwa ngaziwa kakhulu futhi nangoNosihle asebenza wonke amagama ami, you know. So what inspired that is the meaning of my name, a beautiful flower. And a flower goes through certain stages before nje uyibona isiqhakazile. Yeah, so I resonate a lot with the process and the growth of a flower, particularly a rose. I love a rose. Based on rose nje. So I was like, okay, yeah, I'm a rose, really. You know?
Yeah.
So yeah, I have a poem I'd like to share right now. It's very short.
No, you can share. You can share.
It's a very short poem. It shares the same title as the book.
Ikhona vele nakuyona incwadi.
Lalela. It's just the same title as the book. This is the only exotic poem in the book, by the way.
Okay.
By the time you keep my DA, ngifuna ukuthi nje ngenzele umemulo la ekhaya nje ngikhuliswe ngempela ezintombazane eyabo nje yabo. It's my culture as uZulu yabo. I have to honor you yabo. So ngithi ngiphathe kahle. So I'm like, if ngibhala izinto ezinothi kanjena and then my mom reads this book, what is she gonna think about me now? You know? So I was like, I limited to just one poem, but it shares the same title as the book. So the title is A Rose That Grows. Yeah. So it goes like this. A flower I am. With an hour it takes for her to bloom in the afternoon. There is no gloom for I blossom, so I never hit rock bottom. A rosy flower I am, beautiful and sexy. You know I'm trendy, so they envy. I am red like danger. In bed I linger. Just use your finger and touch my stem. So that's how it goes. I also reside in Gondozami back home. I started last year with a band called the Sunsetters Band, based in Mangozi, Timo, Center the Most. Hey, but we put ourselves out there. Ngoba ngisho reach out. Reach out.
The movement is bigger.
Yes. So there, saqala siperforma eGalaxy Forest Lodge. Ilodge nje dumile eMangozi yinhle. Oh my god. If you're at Mangozi, you need to see that place. So saqala sakhuluma nabaphathi sacela ukuthi yazini senze izinto ezikanjena nje bathi ayinhle into yenu and we support youth, like we are all for youth empowerment, so basinike platform yabo. And saqala siya performa twice a month, oqala ngo once a month kwanyuka nabantu bayanyuka bahlezi bafika bazosibona. Ngaye research ke lenkondlo le khona, yes. Kwakhona umuntu othi ngicela nje uyiphinde. Like people love umsebenzi wethu, guys.
No, kuphela we like izinto vele isenza sifile something yabo, because that's what we are all looking for yabo. Kahle we are looking for things that gonna make us feel something yabo. At least ke mhlambe noma ngathiwa ke you feel something to do enye into, kodwa nje as long as there is something that you feeling yabo, iyo vele into esilandela kakhulu yabo, and we are always chasing that feeling. Noma sometimes na lesifake ehlathini, because kwezinye ikhathi yasifaka ehlathini leyo feeling, but we pick ourselves up and hope ukuthi ikhona futhi enye into nakhona ezofika futhi iphinde isenze nathi yabo, sifile something, because kulula phela nakhona ukuthi uthi okay, no, I've been hurt, I've faced this, shuthi njengamanje I'm closing off yabo, and umbuzo uzothi until when yabo, because ngeke uzothi now une timeline ukuthi okay njengamanje ngenza ukuthi until isikhathi esingaka then I will continue. Ama emotions they don't work like that yabo, and ezinye izinto ayifiki even nangalesikhathi where we are expecting them ukuthi zifika ngezazo nathi.
It's about how you're willing to fight. Get fight and get strong. I look up to my mom, as I said. She's a very strong person. Impilo, nobody ever said it would be easy. And that's my philosophy in life, actually. Nobody ever said it would be easy. So,
siya assume nathi bekumele easy.
Yabo siya assume you know for real. But kunzima ngempela because inzima ngempela impilo for real. It's about how you want to be when as a person, the goals you have, goqala, the values though, they matter the most. What is it that you value? And I'd like to give each and every one of us a task. If you don't know your values, hambe go Google or your big. I'm examples of values, and then see the ones you align with. My values, it's family, it's friends, communication. I guess it's number relationships. We have different values in certain relationships and organizations as well, businesses, companies. My values are corner yonke indawo. When what is it that you value? At the top of my list is time. At the top of my list is love and trust as well. And these things, trust and love, go together. Once the other is broken, the other will not function. You feel me? So we need to know our values. We need to know. Once we know our values, then kuba easy to identify yourself with your true identity.
Where do you belong? Where to drive yourself from where you
that's
are.
Where the goals also come in. And my goals, ngempela, the smart criteria of following goals, kumele ube specific, abe measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. You need to really follow that. Ungabi manje overboard. Uyawazi amandla
now. We end up having wishes instead of goals. People have wishes. Baningi abantu have wishes more than goals.
Yasiza ke nokuba ne to-do listing lapho. LinkedIn, it's one of the things I talk about a lot. I'm very motivational there. There's a recent post I wrote about the word Sankofa. It's a Ghanaian word. It means go back and get it.
Sankofa.
Yes.
Yes,
Ghana.
Okay.
Yes. This term, yabo umina isho yonke into that I've lost in my life that I want to get back. I need to go back and get it. Just wake up, vuka la ukhona ungalali alalo sekushona ilanga vuka phaphama siphaphama
because abantu balala kuzokushaya o10 kodwa they want to make it athi umuntu engifuna ukuphumelela uyathandaza every day azathi agcoka uNkulunkulu athe uNkulunkulu akaphenduli kanti phela you have no right praying for something you're not willing to work for.
We have to work for izinto esithandazelayo. I mean that's like the mandate. Kodwa futhi I also understand the conditions that lead to other people folding. I, for one, I'm a person who struggles with the depression. So I understand the symptoms as well. Like ukulala kakhulu is also actually a symptom. I've been through that. I'm lacking focus as well. Kuning concentration levels like kuning but ukulala nokudla kakhulu abanye abadli. It's one of the symptoms as well. But le ukulala, if you know ukuthi you know what uhlezi uphatheke kabi kuthi lala, you don't want to feel. That's how, it's your coping mechanism. It's these things iyadingakala therapy ibalekile. Kubalekile ukukhuluma if you feel like okay you don't want it because we all have our feelings, we're entitled to our opinions and our feelings. If you feel like therapy is useless or what, then you need to have someone be it a family member or a friend who you can confide in, who can confide in you too.
Kungabe umuntu orongi kodwa ngaphela uzoyibona seyifafaza social media uzocabana nje kancane uzothi wena oqala wena wenza ukuthi uyakhumbula yini yabo
ngiyakutshela yabo lento esho uqinisa yabo uqinisile kakhulu. So yeah man, we just need to be open, talk. We get oppressed and oppression iloku ikhula iloku iqhubeka sibona ne GBV because we are afraid to speak out.
So manje yini ekwenza ujoineke business because ngiyakuzwa namanje ukuthi you are also an entrepreneur. What inspired that?
Okay. Gama lam, Gombalenhle, guys. So what inspired that is my passion for plants. Uma uyayithanda imbali uyatshala yo so ngayincela lapho lento and then 2017 kwafika kumina ukuthi you know what I actually want to open a business sell fresh flowers, make bouquets yabo eMangozi I can do that like I don't see anyone doing it, so why not? So that's how I kwaqala kanjalo, then invested, saved, ngathenga imbali in bulk. Niyaleze ngitshalayo futhi for diversity bese bengenazo yabo ezingavumi
because vele abanye bayithanda phela ama fake yabo as much as I don't understand
I don't like artificial flowers
kanama ngo understand kodwa ke phela ke for those abo understandayo yabo because the freshness is not there yabo.
So that's how it started. Once it started, okay, there's an establishment in town where I got a space.
Yes.
So in a area miyatholakala eMangozi town.
Okay. Still there namanje.
It's there. Called Imbali Zethu Nursery. My mom is managing it at the moment since I'm here. I'm also like actively looking for funding in the process. So far with one organization, Isimangaliso Wetland Park. It's a process. I'm looking for more opportunities, but one thing at a time for me.
Because our mind ayagijima kakhulu but we end up thinking ukuthi we can achieve everything at once kanti you have to learn something before you can adopt something new yabo because ziyasinda phela nazo mase ziningi lezinto yabo you stressed about lokhu tusabheke lokhu ubuyele kulokhu manje ugcine usune problem yabo so manje usendike how do you know usendike
sendi nene okay ngambona ngiphuma stage kade ngiperform enye inkondlo 25 November last year Enyosha Gardens. Yes. Enyosha Gardens back eMangozi ngathi ngiqeda like I got a lot of love from what I was doing and wafika kumina wathi tell me more about yourself ngamtshela and then we networked from there wangitshela mangilana eThekwini you know what you need to pull through now Popular Studios you need to be there you know share your story hence I'm here and we know each other now ngashare ne profile yami ke no Sandy posta ku Facebook sengibona ngiposta kuyashare manje hayibo okay
but now it's busy that side yabona that side because ngeke ngabona bake barana nama film
so cheaper there are so many talented people in eMangozi and we have artists from Ethekwini from all over the country coming to eMangozi iyakhula the entertainment there kancane so ngo 2020 I met a Gold Mix who turns out to be my brother because it's Sherry Spong. I'm trying for dance and I also networked with other people Odrega and everything Odrega we're in a process of like producing at peace process I'm looking forward to that being finalized and being released guys there's a lot coming there's more coming
because this thing it's doing a lot for youth especially because sometimes it's not even about us anymore it's about these ones yabona balandela thina nabo who are looking for something inspiration because nathi there were people who came at our time bafike benza izinto and we started wondering nam can I beat this yabo is it possible because yonke into uyibona uma isila iduze now ukuthi okay shooting ngaba ikhona lokho
it's all possible trust me I yazini and if you're a person who believes in God particularly any God whatever religion your ancestors whoever you are whoever you deem as the higher power thandaza kuloyo muntu loyo like pour out your soul be specific when you pray you see things just like happening because you really have faith you faith
Hayi ngiyakuzwa and enye into mhlawumbe that I would like to know ukuthi wena ke mhlawumbe this time because we're even speaking about elections yabo because now I think now they contribute a lot kuyona South African dream. Wena ungathi mhlawumbe yini South African dream nje asinje in this century yabo sikhohlwe ukuthi kwakuthiwe yini before wayini nje kulesikhathi esiphila kusona.
Okay. For one, my South African dream involves a youth where there are more opportunities for employment, more institutions being built, like educational structures, hospitals. Siyafunda because sifuna ukuthi siqashwe, but indawo zincane manje, yabo. So aku investwe into more structures, more facilities, more institutions where a lot of people can exercise izinto, ama-talente, ama-skills. We need that. Umhlaba ukhona.
Umhlaba wona ukhona.
Serious.
Yabo emakhaya ufika ubonile nje and you realize ukuthi umhlaba ukhona.
Ama-malls lana, like the job opportunities. Enye into agriculture. I really love agriculture and I'd like to like explore it in the near future. It's one of the things I'd like people to really look into. Ngisho ngathiwa awusayicabangela ukuthi mhlambe uzoba nefarm enkulu or what. Subsistence farming nje uyi-sustainable nje. Uyabo u-anyanisi uyabiza manje store.
Ngisho upelepele subuya nopelepele o-10 25 rand yabo.
Why ungathengi ama-seeds utshale? We need to like do that now.
Into ongayitshela ngisho esakeni, into ongathatha nje isakuyimela kuze komnyango.
Within few weeks, 2 weeks uzobe usubona ukuthi kwenzakalani lana. Sinawo umhlaba, yabo. So mina my South African dream involves a youth that is not afraid to get dirty. And like secure food security by all means possible. Like a unified South Africa. There's a lot of division.
Cool. And most people are benefiting, especially laba baphezulu, they are benefiting from the division. Because yonke into is expensive here. Yabo manje nje ngo 50 rand amafruit obuya nawo manje noma nje ama-veg obuya nawo estore. That's where you realize ukuthi kahle we should go to farming. And maningi nama funding engaphumayo ke for abantu vele who are doing farming, especially with agri-tech. Ngiyabona with agri-tech people who are coming with new inventions in the agriculture space. And ungakhohlwa futhi ukuthi la ina Popular Studios ezinye izinto esizenzayo siyabashuthela nabanye abantu ama-podcast abo. Now uma ukuthi nje unephupho lokuthi ube ne-podcast sithinte, and ama-prices are very reasonable. Ngo-600 nje ungafika ne-guest yakho sikushuthe at our studios, sik-edithele futhi siphinde sikupostele online. And we also do photography. Uma ukuthi unomcimbi nje unawo ofuna umuntu ozokushuthela ungasithinta futhi ne-videography nayo siyayenza futhi, from ama-music videos, ama-movies, and also ukuthi shoot ukuthi sivideorize ke nanawo kumcimbi wakho ke futhi, and ama-prizes ayahluka kulokho. So nakhona futhi sithinta uma ukuthi ufuna into enjalo yabo. Go back ke manje ubuke i-podcast yabo, ungaskiphi, qhubeka ubuke, subscribe njengenjwayelo kungenzeki okunye. Shout out.
Amazing. It's amazing.
They are benefiting a lot.
It's amazing. So for me, Nanje, more opportunities. As a youth, we are the future of this country. It starts with us. We need opportunities. Ingakho sigcina sesenza ezinye izinto. Hey, siphuza kakhulu hey. Guys.
Awasicwele ke emapaki.
Khuleka uyabona
sibaliki la sicwele
khona. Nje kuthiwa manje yabo kanjani. So we need to like challenge ourselves. We need to like localize ipower sinayo thina. Singalindela ukuthi kuzokusuka le phezulu kwehle because sesi comfortable through grants and stuff.
350.
Si comfortable kakhulu. Get out of your comfort zone. We need to get out of our comfort zones. Mina ngifuna South Africa where we just like sonke siyacabanga, sonke siyabambisana, we live as we rise. Uyazi ukuthi ubani ulekha kuphi, wena strong kuphi. Sonke nje siyabambisana, siyasebenzisana because everything is a system. So we just need to like yabo. Yeah, and include abantu with disabilities more.
Yeah.
People are talented, yeah.
Hey,
We're talented, guys. Yabo, ama platforms nje, yabo, such platforms need to like grow. Mele ande, yabo nje. So yeah.
I know not to food vele ukuthi we will keep rising because asindawo khona ke la eThekwini asindawo yabo yonke kumele bayazi vele abantu ukuthi we're not going anywhere. So manje ke abantu ke mhlambe would like to follow you bangakulandela kuphi nendawo nje mhlambe sibanika ama socials ezinando LinkedIn kade usho ukuthi you are there yabo because we want people to be inspired.
Yes. So I'm available on Instagram na ku TikTok as Imbalenhle_Mthembu. I'm available on Facebook as Mbalenhle Mthembu. Ku LinkedIn as Unosihle Mthembu.
Oh,
you can just search my name.
Different icon.
Yeah, fun. Okay, my first name ID is Unosihle. Yabo. So I just like go for it. But then most in general Nosihle Mbalenhle Mthembu, you can see me like wherever.
No, phela vele sifuna vele abantu bokufollow ishe vele yabo. Cha kodwa phela besacela mhlawumbe uphinde usipheke enye inkondlo phela.
No worries.
Ngasali siba yodwa yabo at least amazimbile.
Yo, you putting me on the spot because I don't prepare more, but I have my book here.
No, ngayithatha vele incwadi
yabo. I have my book here with me. I'd like to read one. Khona efika emcabangeni yami. Buhayi manje angisarehezanga manje. Kumele sireheze. Hey, yabo, if you like put yourself in such a space, kumele ube ready. Mina angirehezanga namhlanje. Sometimes I stammer and stutter when I speak because I have like a convergence of thoughts all at once. I am flat. Yabo nje. Nizo understand what lento yenzakala lento ngiyichazayo exactly lento ngiyichazayo iyona le yenzakala by man literally it's just how I am, it's who I am. We need to embrace ourselves, guys. Ungabi shy ukuthi ukhuluma kanjani qhamkapi yabo mangozi ilengo yethu nje yabo if kunento emangazayo noma nje kune flop eqeda kwenzeka la manje uzovela uthi he and then kunento ebabazayo futhi like mayo sikhuluma kanjalo nje thina
ngiyabona ukuthi ayibanjiwe manje.
Yeah. So this is the poem.
Oh, because this is the book.
Oh yes, by the way, this is my book. Yes.
That's good because umuntu ayibona ayithengayo yabo. Yeah. Mele bayibone phela nje mele ayibone yabo. This is the book.
Yes.
This is the book, 80 rand yabo.
Yeah.
Buy yours now.
Yes.
Yabo ulalele.
Yeah. Okay, this poem actually is the one I'm set to work on to release with Udreyagane.
Yeah.
The title of it is I Am Not. I feel like it encapsulates yonke lento esiqeda kuyikhuluma, especially with the focus on youth kakhulu. Before I start, on my South African vision as well, I have a friend called Ubuhle Geleba. Uyi presenter on SABC News. She's part of the 360 Elections initiative. Yes, njalo ngo5 she's presenting go SABC 1. You need to check her out. She's talking a lot about elections and our involvement as a youth, what we can do, what we need to do. So we need to like immerse ourselves in such things. Sibuke siyanqena nokuvula indaba. Yabo, asizazi izinto ngoba
entertainment kuphela yabo, which is wrong.
We need to keep ourselves informed. So yeah, we have so many issues, political parties. I have maningi.
That's what a good writing is. Yabo.
So I can start now. Yeah. The title is I Am Not. I am not the youth that wakes up to break its lousy back on the sitting room couch because it is comfortable. Every morning it wakes up so glued to the cubic box when really it should be so worried about knowing how to measure the cubic meters of the gigantic scenery designed all over the world by architects, constructed by engineers, and decorated by painters who should be artists of their own work. But because settling is something that this youth is so used to, they paint for the penniless pounds. We are a youth that is zoned in beneficial comfort from the greedy government of lazy labor and corrupt minds. Majority of the youth find so much comfort and pleasure in the confinement of their minds on things too sinful for them. Wow, government, you give them a round of applause. You grant them of your own hard earnings every month, yet they never learn. The math is so confusing and balance sheets are so imbalanced because not even accountants can count too well when there's so much additions on the census in a space of split seconds. There is much loss because how can public hospitals compensate for such a large number? Again, majority dies merely as a simple number, another statistic with a uniform obituary. Equal distribution of attention in hospitals and clinics then tends to be impossible. The dying child with the glass on his throat and the old man with sores all over his body. The crazy patient is ignored because he's just another crazy man. Why then don't we have compassionate psychiatrists? Why then are there so many skill careers when there's so many brothers and sisters sitting at home with degrees and matric certificates? Why aren't there enough funds? Isn't South Africa one of the richest in Africa? Oh, I missed the irony. South. Is it because the gravitational pull is stronger so everything is compelled to push down? Youth is asleep and I'm afraid he'll wake up when it's too late. When his brothers and sisters no longer go to school to learn, but to teach drugs and do what PG channels teach them not, but what the current youth is teaching them. Yeah.
That's deep. That's deep. And ngiyabona uma uthi ngempela ithi khuluma ngayo nje yabo.
Yeah, kuvele kwafika yona. Yeah, from everything we're talking about. Yo man, liningi talente bekunama performances izolo. I cried. Two brothers there singing, reciting poems. Sibaningi sikhona.
Ay talent alishodi ke la eThekwini. That's why nathi kwathina manje we on the movement of ukuthi let's spread yabo yonke into abantu abayibone yabo because we documenting these things and they're going to stay, they're going to outlive us yabo kwazona yabo kwathina siyohamba sishiye khona la emhlabeni kodwa ziyobe saqhubeka yabo impacting other people because i-change vele can only come from us yabo ngeke iziqhamuke kuthina and especially as a youth if we can understand ukuthi the power ikuthina that's where kahle we can succeed because it's only us who have the vision of ukuthi how do we want South Africa to be. Abantu abadala manje abanye sebelindele ukuthi umndeni wakhe ucebe naye angabisahlupheke sala emhlabeni ahambe yabo and thina we still looking far ahead. So we need us more than we need anything. If we can support one another and if we can understand how impactful we can be, because I mean I do believe that even one person can change umhlaba. If not, you can influence people.
We have so many influential people. Really, yes.
I know. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for being a part of the podcast. I've had fun unpacking your life and also talking about your view and
likewise I'm very grateful to add on to izinto esingazenza as a youth amakhono sports is very important.
Sports yakhokha phela kamamitha ila yenziwa khona
kumele sihamba ama-Olympics sikusport nje yabona nje yabo so ngiyabonga kakhulu. I'm happy to be here. To everyone who's watching, I love you.
I know siyabonga kakhulu sesivala ke nje manje ke kunomuntu ke mhlambe lapha emakhaya nayo feel stuck yabo ufila nje stagnant engazuthi ayikho into emovayo mhlambe what advice can you give nje umuntu onjengana loyo mhlambe ezokwenza naye ukuthi ayisearch uma uthi akayisearch because asikho kuma levels afanayo omunye kusamela aqala azazi yena kuqala omunye mhlawumbe usiyazazi yena sekumele azi ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani. So what advice can you give umuntu njengaloyo?
Ngizoyenza isibonelo esisimple esipractical. Ngiyaye ngihlangane nomuntu hasi yo waze wamuhle siswami. Okay. Ngiyabonga ne?
Yeah.
And then ngithi nawo muhle Asa udlala ngami. Uwina uyenzeke kuwena leyo nto le. Angiyithandi leyo nto for real. Iqala lapho lento le. Yabo ngivele ngibona ukuthi yazini vele ukuthi ngimboxe nje lo muntu lo same time. I mean, I don't know, I don't condone violence. But I just ngivele ngikhulume nawe ukuthi nawu umuntu azayidlala ngami. Vele ukuthi ngikhale same time. Vele ukuthi ngikhale same time because I understand where that's coming from as a person who has been battling with self-esteem yakhe. Like, I mean, I've never like believed ukuthi umuhle, umzimba umuhle, wara things like that. No, for me it's all about internal things. For me it's always been about being a good person first and foremost. Yabo umuntu alright guys have govisha, like we go through a lot. I'm not saying you're right. I'm not even saying it's or things like that. But ngiyathanda ukuba humble. Yeah. So for umuntu who is trying kodwa bona ngathi akulungi. Who's trying, who's knocking, actually, ukhathela ujulukile uyakhala, unga give up. Yabo lama zengwashoyo, you might feel like always hear that all the time. Mina, I have moments when I have like suicidal thoughts, even urges. I've just never acted on it. I'm not better than umuntu seke wakwenza lokho wakhuluma suicide. I'm not better. I'm no different. This is very sensitive for me, like so sensitive in the sense that ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi akuphelile ngawe. Asoze kwaphela futhi ngawe. Impilo cycle. It's how you decide ukuthi you know what, kumele ube nenkani. Into ebalekile ukuthi uvuke ube nenkani uyitshele wena ukuthi yazini ngikhathele lesi simo. Ngikhathele ukuvuka kulendlu every single day. When I can actually use my talents, when I can actually use my education to get opportunities azongigeneratela imali ukuthi ngiyenze my dream house, you know, like it's those things that I just want to tell you ukuthi amaphupho wakho ayibona nje possibly angafezeka ayafezeka azofezeka. You need to tell yourself, you need to believe that yourself first. Ungalindi omunye umuntu othakutshele, kumele wena ukhole kuqala. It starts within. Love yourself, believe in yourself, and fight for yourself. Like, put yourself out there.
I know onendlebe uzwile yabo sengabe ngafuna nayo ukuzwa yabo because vele it's all about that yabo. It's all about that vele ekugcineni you make your dreams come true yabo. The more you stay in the game, the more you have a chance of like making it. No, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Nanina babukeli uma ukuthi busabukile kuze kube la, make sure ukuthi you follow uMbalenhle kuona wonke ama social media platform la mentionile, and buy the book yabo. Buy the book yabo. Ode nje incwadi, buy the book because support vele. That's how awazi ukuthi ukuthenga kwakhe incwadi what's gonna get lapha kuyona yabo, because ikhona mhlawumbe nawe into that will inspire you, that you need in your life, because ekugcineni vele impilo ikulethela lezi zinto ezidingayo. It's just you okumele ukwazi ukusafe ukuthi okay leni ifuna ungisaphi lena yabo, and don't miss ama opportunities yabo asuke nje efikile yabo, because amanye le look like halali bazokutshontsha lumkile zinyanga. I'm signing out. Thank you. Hey, once again, thank you for tuning in and watching our podcast. Today's episode is sponsored by All In It, and if you want our services All In It, you can check our website at www.allinit.co.za. You can check us on Facebook, you can check us on Instagram, you can also check us on Twitter. We are there also on Twitter, on TikTok, and we're also there on TikTok. So our services nje kuyona All In It, khona ama company registration services there. Uzowachecka nje below, ayapopapa vele la izansi uwabona ukuthi ama package ethu ahlele kanjani. And we also like do graphic design services. Mawukuthi nje nawe ufuna ilogo, ufuna i-poster, ufuna i-flyer, anything nje that thing artwork ye graphic design uzoyithola also All In It. And mawukuthi futhi you also want a website, we do our website for any type of business. Yabo ngisho ngathi upusha lephi business, mawukuthi nje udinga i-website thinti All In It yabo, because iyona yenza ibe possible ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sishuthe le podcast. And ungakhohlwa futhi ukuthi la ina Popular Studios ezinye izinto esizenzayo siyabashuthela nabanye abantu ama podcast abo. Naw uma ukuthi nje unephupho lokuthi ube ne podcast sithinte, and ama prices are very reasonable. Ngo 600 nje ungafika ne guest yakho sikushuthe at our studios, sik-editele futhi siphinde sikupostele online. And we also do photography. Uma ukuthi unomcimbi nje unawo ofuna umuntu ozokushuthela ungasithinta futhi ne videography nayo siyayenza futhi, from ama music videos, ama movies, and also ukuthi shoot ukuthi sivideorize ke nanawo kumcimbi wakho ke futhi, and ama prizes ayahluka kulokho. So nakhona futhi sithinta uma ukuthi ufuna into enjalo yabo. Go back ke manje ubuke i-podcast yabo, ungaskiphi, qhubeka ubuke, subscribe njengenjwayelo, ungenzeki okunye. Shout out.